Today we will discuss use of manropes. In pirate land. Purpose of manropes. Now, if this is your ship side and this is the pilot ladder, main deck. These are the steps of the pilot ladder. Now, while getting down, if you do not use the manropes, then your body will be vertical and your shin, which is the bone just below your knees, that is the shin, it will tend to hit the steps which are made of hardwood, and you might get a small bruise on the shin. So now if you use pilot ladder, what will happen here? Sorry, if you use the manrope, so you are supposed to catch hold of the manrope and then go down. So you have caught the manrope and your body is slightly away from the steps, and your shin is also slightly away from the steps. So this hitting of the shin on the steps of the pilot ladder, this will be not occurring. So while getting down, what are the advantages of using manropes? You will protect your shin. Not only your feet are on the steps, your hand is holding the manropes, and you are supposed to slide down. So your speed of descent will also be slightly more. But don't keep the speed very high because your hands will, due to friction, will become hot and you might get blisters. And the third thing is, once your boat comes alongside, then there is a small distance between the boat and the pilot ladder. So while you are sliding down, you are supposed to hold the manropes and then jump into the boat and then release the manropes. So this is the last. Jumping on the boat. So these are the three advantages of using manropes while getting down. Now, while getting up the ladder, what is the use of manropes? Now, when you are boarding a ship with the pilot ladder, there might be a small gap, maybe 1 feet between the pilot ladder and the boat due to the fenders of the boat. So, if you do not use the manrope while getting up, what will happen? This is the pilot ladder steps. You have not used the manrope, your boat is here. Now, the option is the boat crew will take the ladder, bring it to the boat, and then you will catch hold of the ladder and the ladder will swing towards the ship side. So that is a little bit dangerous. So the better option is don't touch the pilot ladder, just take the manrope, hold the manrope, and then step onto the pilot ladder. Once you have stepped onto the pilot ladder, then there is no use of the manropes. You can release the manropes, hold the side ropes of the pilot ladder, and start going up. So this is the purpose of the manrope while going up, boarding the vessel.